So another interesting tutorial about VLC media player tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to crop your video using VLC media player without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video here, I'm going to use it as an example. So I'm going to open up the video with my VLC media player. Okay. Go ahead and open up the video. Welcome back to another. So having opened up the video right here, how do we crop the video? We can decide to crop on the bottom, top, left, and right as the case may be. So for that, what we want to do here is to make sure we navigate to the top right here. We go ahead and click on Tools, then go to Effects and Filters. This is going to come up. Go ahead and click on Video Effects. So under the Video Effect, go ahead and click on Crop. So under the crop, you have different options right here. You have crop the top, left, right, and bottom as the case may be. So right here, I can decide to crop the bottom right here. Just use this arrow key to move, or better still, you can enter a figure. Let's say, for instance, I want to crop this video by 50% from the bottom right here, or I want to make it about 70%, just like so, and it's not going to affect the quality of the video. So I can decide to crop the left right here by 40%, just like so. I can decide to crop the right here by 30%, just like so. I can decide to crop the top right here by 50%, just like so. Now, once you are satisfied with everything right here, so arrange everything, then synchronize top and bottom, synchronize left and bottom. So make sure you check on this and check on this. Now everything has been fully been synchronized. Then go ahead and click on Close right here. So let's play the video. PC, and this video I will show you how to create just like so. If you want to remodify the crop, you can easily come to Back Tools, Effects and Filters, then Video Effects. Then go ahead and readjust the figure. So and readjust the figure. You can uncheck some of this box right here. So once you uncheck, then this will allow you to adjust. So you can make this about 90 right here. So 90, you can see more crop is happening right here. So you can make this about 100 right here. So more cropping here, and without affecting quality of the video, we can make this 80 right here. Then come down below right here, we can make this as 100 as possible. So just like what you see right here. So if you're satisfied with the way and manner the video is being cropped, go ahead and click on Synchronize and Synchronize, then close tab right here. So play the video. Protected zip file folder. You can see without even affecting the quality and the rest about the video. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC media player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.